First at 6, historic flooding responsible for 10 deaths in South Carolina.
5 of them in Columbia, where the victims drowned in their cars. Governor Nikki Haley says statewide flooding is responsible for 26,000 power outages, no water service for 40,000 customers. Tonight, more than 900 people are in Columbia shelters. Emergency officials there have been out all day making dozens of boat and helicopter rescues.
Capitol reporter Robert Kittle is just outside Columbia right now. He's in the Forest Acres area where a dam burst.
Robert set the scene for us there.
We're in Forest Acres where just a little while ago an earthen dam collapsed. You can see where it used to be behind me. There is a road that goes across it, and there's a bridge, but the earthen dam underneath gave way and there was water rushing through. But just in the time since we've been here, the water has gone down a good bit and it didn't get that high, so the houses in this neighborhood for now are okay. But some of the neighborhoods around Columbia are in much worse shape. This neighborhood in Irmo off Bush River Road quickly had a real river road when a dam upstream opened its floodgates to relieve pressure. Starting Sunday night, rescue crews went through the entire neighborhood, sometimes by boat to get everyone out. People grabbed pets but didn't have time to grab much else.
Everything I got is gone. Yeah. Look at my kids. We are standing here. Look at them. We don't have a place to go.
The water was even deeper in some places than you can see here, and it was expected to get worse as the dam released even more water. The city of Forest Acres was also hit hard, with dams there collapsing, taking out roads and bridges. This truck got swept away, slammed against trees. Other trees blocked roads. The South Carolina National Guard's Helicopter Aquatic Rescue Team, or HART, has had a busy couple of days.
Yesterday we had an area over on Bluff Road that was affected by the flash flooding, so a whole neighborhood was basically cut off and surrounded by water. On the east side and west side of Bluff Road, in about a 2 square mile area, they had it blocked off and just water rushing over. And so when we assessed the scene, there was people waving towels and getting our attention, and I think we rescued about 25 people out of that one neighborhood.
The HART pilots and crews got a different look at the flooding from the sky.
Some areas are pretty bad. We've seen houses and sheds and other things that's completely underwater. And then there are other areas that look perfectly fine. So it just depends on exactly where you are.
One of those National Guard helicopters is flying overhead right now. You might be able to hear it in the background. It's been going through this neighborhood several times over the last hour and a half, checking to make sure nobody is in trouble. But right now we haven't heard of any problems. But this neighborhood is under a mandatory evacuation right now. It was voluntary earlier, but now it's mandatory. The fear is that there's another dam farther upstream that could go, and if so, that would mean even more water coming through here. And you can hear and possibly see one of these National Guard Helicopter Aquatic Rescue Team choppers flying overhead right now, checking to make sure the people in this neighborhood are okay. Live in Forest Acres, Robert Kittle, 7 on your side.
All right, Robert, thank you for that. Officials in Columbia say a string of water main breaks could mean days of no water service for hundreds of thousands of people in Columbia.